Are you someone who's always been scared of permutation, combination and probability? Have you always been worried how you're going to ace these two topics, and if you don't, how will you ever get to your dream score, a Q50 or a 51? But believe me when I say, thousands of GMAT aspirants have cited these two precisely as the topics that they're most scared of, most worried about. Some bad school history also has a role to play here. But things are now about to change. How? Let me tell you. Well, we are bringing to you a session on these very dreaded topics. A session on P&C and probability. When? This is on 18th of January 2023 at 9 p.m. IST, which is 7:30 a.m. PST. Now, this webinar, we will aim to start right from the concepts and take you all the way to mastery. How you think that's possible? Let me give you that. First of all, do you need this session? Well, let's put you to a small test. So here's a small concept recap. I'm going to give you 4 statements. You just say true or false, okay? And the moment all 4 statements are done, I will tell you the answers. So here you go. Statement 1. Statement 2. 3. This is rapid fire. And 4. Okay, quickly make sure that you have your answers true or false. And now it's time for me to give you your answers. Here you go. The first 2 statements that you see on the left hand side are true statements, while the 2 that you see on the right hand side are false. Did you get all 4 of these correct? If yes, were you 100% confident of these? If your answer is yes to both of these, very good. Let's move on. But if no, you already know why you have to join. Well, now I'm giving you 2 easy questions that use the very concepts you just learned. It was about the probability of the 2 events happening together, A and B. The other thing was probability that A or B happens. That's all I'll use. So here are 2 questions. Read the situation. Abe, Beth, Carl start writing a science fiction book. Individual probabilities of completing the books are here. First is probability that Beth and Abe complete, as we just learned in our concepts, and the second is at least one of them, again directly from the concepts. Here you multiply, here you use this formula, and that's it. Here you get the answers. This is a simple application of the concepts that you saw. Now, if you are comfortable till here, well done. Stick tight, and I'm going to take this up one more level. This question now, tell me if you can solve this in under 2 minutes. Here you go. The situation have not changed. Same 3 people start writing a book, same probabilities of finishing their books, but now these books also have to be published. And as it says, each completed book has a 20% chance of getting published. Now just read the question. What is the probability that Beth or Carl, but not Abe, will get their book published? Does this question itself scare you? I think it will scare a lot of people. And if it does, you are in the right place. I am here to remove all of this fear that you have about this topic. You will be super comfortable when you join us here in this webinar. Here you will learn how to solve 700 plus level questions, the hardest of questions, in under 2 minutes. Not just basic, the previous one was one of the hard questions and you will be perfectly capable of that. How? Again, we will begin with recapping concepts and then learning how to apply them on GMAT style questions. So all of this journey from 600 level to 750 level will happen in just 90 minutes. This is going to be a good investment of time that you put in. I hope to see you on the inside, but the good stuff does not end here. As you see, we have some free resources for you. What do we have? 80 plus questions on these 2 dreaded topics for you to practice, and beautiful solutions for you to analyze and learn from. You will have 25 plus hours of video lessons, free lessons for you, 400 plus total questions. So 80 plus was just these 2 topics, and overall from all of the topics on GMAT Quant, you get quality questions upwards of 400 in number. And then 7 plus webinars. Today this is 1 webinar. You get access to such quality webinars, 7 more of these. So I am sure you don't want to miss this, and I will again see you on the inside. See you on the 18th.